Quanzhou YANTON Electronics Company Limited is founded in the year of 2009, which is a professional wireless communication equipment manufacturer, integrates with R&D, production, sales, service, and technological innovation strength. YANTON specializes in providing private network communication products, services, and communication solutions for public safety, utilities, rail transit, and industrial and commercial users, which improves the capabilities of emergency communication and command and dispatch, promotes the integration of communication and management, and also the organization's efficiency. At the same time, we have many well-known brands, such as YANTON Electronics, etc. With more than 7,000 square meters, YANTON has brought in advanced production equipment, testing instruments, standardized production workshops, well-equipped product laboratories, and R&D offices. Our company has introduced the ERP management system and passed the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification. Also, we use the components from Toshiba, ST, NEC, etc. to guarantee the quality of our products. Our products have been passed the model approval by Ministry of Information Industry, also the EU CE certification, ROHS certification, and the USA FCC certification. At present, our products have been sold to more than 58 countries, such as Europe, the United States, Canada, Russia, and appraised highly by the customers. Reliable products and quality services, which further demonstrates YANTON's brand strength and market influence. Quanzhou YANTON Electronics Company Limited has been continuously improving the brand awareness and reputation by optimizing and implementing the advanced marketing concepts. At present, YANTON products includes handheld radio, PoC radio, mobile radio, and repeater. With strong R&D and production capacity, Quanzhou YANTON Electronics Company Limited has comprehensively integrated with global modern enterprise operation mechanism from internal management to operation process. Through scientific training, scientific research, investment increased, we try our best to fully meet the needs of OEM/ODM customers. Our core values are paying more attention to details, seeking for innovation, being applicable to diversification, working hard, and being dedicated. Our company will also insist the concept of quality first, customers supreme, people-oriented, harmonious, and win-win. With excellent products, professional services, comprehensive international strategy, as we are committed in becoming a global professional manufacturer of radio communication systems.